Hi, this is architect Nancy Mittal. I'm an architect and I have been practicing from past 4 years as an architect in Chitr Design Studio. And we are a team of 10 and we are working in Pan Rajasthan and MP also. We are working in MP with a very large and grand society of 84 Biga, and we are working in Sikar, a luxury bungalow also. We are working in Tonk as well. We have executed the hospital in Tonk, which is very renowned. That's the dental hospital. We are currently working in Pushkar also and Ajmer, Jaipur itself. So today we were talking about one of my project we have successfully executed, which is in Nakamadar, Ajmer. It was based totally on the modern theme, and the client was very specified about what he likes. We started off with the driveway area. We have made it out a theme like it has to be breathable house. It has to be a house. It should not be a hotel. We tried to incorporate like the Buddhas, the greenery, the entrance part, the natural theme, the natural colors and materials of that project. And yes, we were the second in the whole India after our Sir Architect Sanjay Puri, and we used silica texture for the exterior of this project, which gone out very, very good at the last, and client also liked it in a very good manner. And like in the whole market, the architects and interior designers used to do the paneling part and all the walls, they use the golden parts and all. We don't do this. We try to maintain the breathable part of that house. We make sure that the whole house has a natural lighting, and whenever someone enters into that house, it has to be very positively vibe house. So every single corner of that house has very particular artworks also. Like whenever you enter into an entrance lobby, you will see a frame. Whenever you will enter into the living area, you will see a abstract form of POP art. And then if you will enter into the drawing area of first floor, you will see continue framing of that wall paintings. And if you will look into their rooms, so there is a painting of that tree painting, which is very natural and which is very rare also. We are like a fond of artworks also. We support the artworks with the natural themes. And then we have very typical house challenge, because I was not the first person to be there at site as an architect. Client hired me after the third one, and yes, because he was not satisfied at first with the previous ones. Actually, we were the fourth one at the site, and client chose me over those three renowned architects. They were super experienced, and yes, there were also lines, but at last, client chose us as the final one, and he got the very grand and the very elegant designs, and he was super excited and super satisfied at the last. We built a relationship of that family kind of thing between us, because he was very specified in starting what I want, and they were not supposed to provide him what actually is needed at site. So yes, we make it successful at night last. So yes, this is the way of our working with our clients, to build a relationship, not have to be commercial all the time. This is our Chitr Design Studio. If you are actually and really interested to see some design stories like this, please follow Interior Keys. It is very helpful platform for architects and designers like us, and for like the common people who actually search architects and designer on their personal choices. Follow Interior Keys.